English lesson, sentence starters. Cause and result sentence starters. As a result, for this reason, for this purpose, otherwise, since, due to the fact that, subsequently, this means that, therefore, that is why, because, so that, or so then. Sentences in essays tend to follow certain patterns. Specifically, students in the English-speaking world tend to begin sentences with one of a few dozen phrases. We learn these in school, and you'll see them repeated over and over again. The problem for people learning English is that you probably were never taught these, and you won't find them in any book. So what we've tried to do is give you a list of common sentence starters classified by function. Remember these, and you can get on with the more important work of figuring out what you want to say in your essay. Are you ready? Introduction sentence starters. The essay discusses, in this essay, article, or document, the theme of this essay or article, we will be discussing conclusion sentence starters. In conclusion, to summarize, we have seen that it has been demonstrated that, to sum up, sentence starters to emphasize, above all, as usual, generally speaking, for the most part, in this situation, no doubt, obviously, as a rule, especially, inconclusive sentence starters. Perhaps. There is some evidence to suggest that it may be, it could be, it is possible that. Cause and result sentence starters. As a result, for this reason, for this purpose, otherwise, since, due to the fact that, subsequently, this means that, therefore, that is why, because, so that, or so then. Sentence starters for rare or common ideas. A few, rarely, unusually, seldom, on occasion, quite often, sentence starters for additional ideas. Furthermore, also, then, in addition, moreover, as well as, coupled with, another reason, indeed, identically, likewise, additionally. Sentence starters to show examples. For example, such as, for instance, as an example. You might consider, for one thing, especially, as an illustration. To illustrate this, markedly. In this case, this can be seen. Comparison and contrast sentence starters. However, nevertheless, that being said, then again, on the other hand, although, in comparison, whereas, on the one hand, other than, outside of, rather. Sentence starters to show time and order. Firstly, secondly, thirdly. In the first instance. Afterwards. First of all, with this in mind, in addition, finally, earlier, after this, additionally, to begin with, in conclusion, we hope you'll find that these sentence starters make it a bit easier to write your essays. The less you have to worry about the mechanics of essay writing, the more thought you'll be able to put into your actual ideas.